The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yeah, this is a stabbing that happened today, 5 o'clock in the evening in London Bridge in England. This is a stabbing that just happened a while ago, and this is the film. Stabbing just going on. Police, helicopter. England get serious now. Stabbing, killing, murdering going on. Super stabbing happening in England, in London Bridge, England. So England get dangerous here now, you know. Nobody want to stay in England, you know, because it's terror attack out there. Police. Helicopter up in the air. 5 get stabbed. Terror attack, 1 man dead. So England gets serious now. See the place I run red. Whole for police.
I can see you.
Yeah. It's get dangerous. Whole for news reporter. Enough stabbing happening. Place get dangerous now, man. That's the police. That's the helicopter up in the sky. So the place is so dangerous, man. London Bridge, stabbing, terror attack. So anybody get killed? Huh?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Get stabbed, man. Place get dangerous. Helicopter in the air. Yo, that's why I said to, that's why I said this place is not nice, man. England no good again. Whole for stabbing and murder going on.
You can see your bus, yeah? Yeah. Alright, let me do this gentleman first because he's closer. And then I'll see you us, alright?
I'll just turn off when he locks
I'm getting news report.
Borough Station, mate.
Sorry.
Yeah, it is.
Borough Market, London Bridge. That's where the stabbing and the shooting happened. And then want to say it's a terror attack. So the place is dangerous in England. Get dangerous.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the seriousskilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just showed you a video of the scene of an incident that had happened. You know, this scene is of an incident that had happened that is said to be a stabbing incident that had happened in the UK, right? That is the United Kingdom. And according to what has been said in the video, it seems to happen somewhere within the area of London. That would be London, England, London. Alright. Now the person in the background of the video goes by the name of Peter. And I want to say big up and respect to Peter, you know, and I want to say big up my respect to all my viewers and subscribers out there, you know what I mean, because just like Peter, a lot of my viewers and subscribers try to keep me up to date and posted with what's going on in their corner of the world, you know what I mean. It's like they don't leave out the dancehall skiller, you see me? And with that, I want to say a lot of big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers, alright? I want to say big up and respect to Real Star, you know, also, you know what I mean? And a lot of others, you know what I mean? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, so the person you hear in the background of the video now is trying to let us understand what's going on within the area he's at in the UK, you know what I mean? And the whole stabbing incident in the UK, it's been out there on social media a lot, you know what I mean? I've heard and I've seen videos of you know, reports and all these things. You know, one time I saw a video about a knife that is so big, then call it the Rambo knife or something like that. You see what I'm saying to you? So I did some research to see what this whole stabbing incident is about, you know, and based on some of the things that have been said out there in reports, you know what I mean, it is said to be like a terrorist attack. All right, now I'm going to tell you some of the informations that I've got from reports out there from The Guardian and BBC, right? And please bear in mind that this is not the whole detail as to how the whole incident has played out, all right? Now, there's reports out there that 2 persons had been killed, right, due to the whole stabbing incident, right? And there's reports out there that a person was seen wearing a fake suicide vest, right? So I would assume that the vest would be something that looked like a explosive on a vest, you know what I mean? It's a hoax though, it's a fake suicide vest, right? That is what the report had said. And there's also reports that a person that is said to be a suspect had been shot and killed by members of the police force from within the UK, right? And this incident said to have happened sometime after 2 p.m. on the 29th of November 2019 within London, UK, right? That is London, England of the United Kingdom, right? And it is said to have happened somewhere close to the London Bridge area. All right, now viewers and subscribers, there is more details to this incident that had happened, you know, but I'm just trying to give you information based on some of the information that I've got from reports that is out there. All right, and you can also check back in the comment section of this video, as I will try to leave comments in the comment section to keep you up to date and posted about this incident if possible. All right, I only hope so that them find a way of solving this crime and violence thing within the UK, you see me? And there's other places in the world as well that's going on with some whole lot of crime and violence. Some very, very bad things is going on throughout some parts of the world, you see me? And as simple as I take it, you know, some things that happen in some corner of the world, even though you live far away from that part of the world where it's happening, it can. I'm not saying it will, you know, but it can. There's a possibility that it can affect you no matter how far you are from where the bad activity is going on. You see me? So, yeah, you know, me just want everybody to live peaceful, happy, and alright. You see me? Yeah, me wish nothing but the best. So this whole stabbing incident thing, me just wish it would just cut out and just done. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. In a Jamaica, in a UK, anywhere in the world, I just wish all them things they could stop, you know. I just hear foolishness and crime and violence every minute. Somebody getting hurt. For what? For simple things. Money or feelings or anger or something like that. These things need to stop. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. But anyways, big up yourself, Peter. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. And this is where I'm gonna leave it, you know. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. They have to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. And you can also let me know what you think about what's going on within the UK when it comes down to the stabbing incident thing. You see me? Yeah. Alright. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla!
You are watching
Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.